Hey guys, today let's talk about twist braid hairstyles. If you are looking for a hairstyle that looks classy but gives your scalp a total break, twists are exactly what you need. Unlike regular braids that can feel tight or heavy, twists have a soft natural movement that looks effortless and feels incredibly comfortable. Now, there are different extensions you can use for your twist hairstyle, and it all depends on the specific look you want to achieve. For those who want a sleek look, use Kanekalon extensions like Expression, Darling, or Lush. These are perfect for Senegalese twists because they are smooth and give you a very neat, shiny finish. For those who want a boho twist look, go for water wave hair extension. This is what we use for passion twists. It's coily and intentionally messy in a good way. It actually looks even better as it gets older. For those who want a natural twist look, Mali or Havana hair is the best. The texture matches natural 4C hair perfectly, so people will probably ask if it's all your own hair. But wait, you don't always need extensions. Mini twists on your natural hair are a total game changer for hair growth. They are super lightweight and very versatile. Plus, when you eventually take them down, you get a beautiful twist out look. You know, on this channel, we don't just inspire you with beautiful styles, we are also here to help you care for your hair and give you tips on how to maintain your hair. To keep your twist looking fresh and frizz-free, follow the simple steps. Always keep your hair hydrated. Use a light spray or a bit of leave-in conditioner to keep your natural hair healthy inside the twists. Clean your scalp as often as possible by using a light oil or scalp serum to prevent itching and build-up. Always wear a silk bonnet or scarf to bed. Twist hairstyle are a stunning lightweight style that is so easy to maintain, very easy to maintain, and you have different options when you want to style your hair. You can do half up, half down, any preferred style of your choice. Whether you want them long and dramatic or short and natural, there is a style for every personality out there. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. And also tell me which style you will be trying next. Do well to screenshot your preferred style so you can show your hairstylist in your next salon appointment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Locks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Umma Loves. Thank you for watching.